Hi, this is Kento at Kamiyama Physical Therapy. Welcome to our channel.
How you doing, guys? This is Kento at Kamiyama Physical Therapy. I hope you enjoyed the oblique side plank video if you watched it. If you didn't watch it, I would highly recommend watching that so you can know that it's related to that video. In this video, we're going to talk more about common compensations that you or I see during a side plank or to get the oblique. So in the other video, we talked about how getting the rib cage closer to the pelvis and just bringing those two bones closer together can help with sensing the oblique. Now, we're going to talk about sometimes some people compensate with their shoulder to feel their obliques. So they might just kind of pack the shoulder to feel the obliques. And I want to quickly note that this, in the beginning, might not be a bad thing to be felt or used in order to feel obliques. Because sometimes we just need to get things started and then eventually learn how to just get the oblique working while the shoulder is able to move independently. So how does it look like? What does it look like when you have a shoulder that's compensating? So if I'm here and if I point my rib cage and my pelvis closer together, I bring these two bones together, and because of that, my shoulder kind of comes down as a result. What it may look like for individuals that using the shoulder to get it is they use the shoulder, so they pack that shoulder down so there's this kind of excessive bending to the side to get the obliques. So your goal is to really notice that, and once you notice it, you're going to get your rib cage closer to your pelvis and see if that works or not. So how would that look in a side plank? Either the person is packing that shoulder down or where they're pushing may matter. So for example, when a person's in the side plank, right, they're, instead of pushing through their forearm in their hand, they're just kind of pushing on their elbow as they try to unpack their shoulder. So they're here and they're trying to unpack the shoulder by just pressing on the elbow only. And what that may do is engage something that we may not like. So just kind of, instead of pushing on the elbow, try to push on the forearm and the whole palm to kind of get a little of that rotation to getting the obliques better. So for those that tend to relate better when you know you're doing something, let's say off, this might be a helpful video. For those that like to kind of know that, like what I need to focus on, the other video might be helpful. But thought I'd make two of these and hope that was helpful. And I'll see you in a different video. Thanks, guys.